Greetings, fellow Exam4 enthusiasts. This is going to be a quick video walkthrough on how to use the Take Home exam and Suspend exam feature for those long-term exam assignments during final exams. So to save time, I've already gotten us to the wait screen here on a Take Home exam. So we go in, launch the exam, and do the things we need to do to enter the exam. So, for instance, go to resources. You can download the file that you're going to be working off of with the assignment, the instructions, all that stuff. You just double click it and it should download to your uh, hard drive. So once you've done that, if you just want to work on that document, make sure that it's legible and has everything you need. You could just suspend the exam at this point and go back out. So we're going to do that now. The way that that happens in Exam4 is you just go to end exam now, confirm, okay, and you're going to get the suspend exam option. And we're going to select that. But then what do? Do you just leave it open all the time? No, you exit Exam4, exit now. Are you sure? I'm sure. And we go exit. Now notice it hasn't said anything about submitting your exam because you suspended. So you're just exiting the software. And you go ahead and do that, and it's gone. Then when you want to re-enter that exam file, you bring Exam4 back up and find your file that you were just doing, if you can. Obviously, I've got a zillion files in here. Um, but I believe this is the one that I was working with. So you find your exam that you want to go back to, you highlight it, and you just click Begin Exam, and it should open back up. And now you're back into your exam. So if you were going to submit, so say you've done your paper, you spent a week on it, and we're going to go end exam now, confirm, okay. We're going to go end exam and submit. Now it gives you the place to submit your all your hard work. You go, select whatever format it's in, open, and then click OK, submit electronically, and there we go. So those are the steps for using uh, the take home and suspend feature if that's in the instructions. If you bear in mind, if you have a timed exam that you're doing as a take home exam and they say you can do it anytime during the next 2 weeks, but you have 3 hours, then that clock starts when you enter the exam. So that's how to use the suspend feature. And if you need any help, obviously from there, just give us a call.